illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a pineapple character. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our pineapple characters. Alright, the first thing we're going to start with is our pineapple's body. And to do that, we're going to start with a curved line for the top of our pineapple. And then we're going to essentially just create the rest of it with a giant letter U that we're going to connect back. So we'll come down, across, and back up. Now, one of my favorite things about pineapples, the very tip top. And to do this, we basically get to make some skewed triangle shapes. All right, now pineapples are very famous for the texture that they have on the outside of them, and we're going to achieve this with some really fun lines. So we're going to start up here at the top, and we're going to draw a series of curved lines that stretch from one side to the other. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll do the same thing on going the opposite direction to create a neat grid. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to add a fun face onto our pineapple character. So we're going to do 2 eyes. 1. And 2. And this pineapple is going to be very excited. It's going to be jumping. So we're going to make a really big smile, starting with a line, followed by a giant letter U. A little spot there for its tongue, and then you can fill this part in if you'd like. All right, 2 eyebrows. 1, 2. And now for the arms and the legs. So like I said, this is going to be a pineapple that's jumping up. It's very excited. So we're going to do a set of arms that is up, 1, 2, 3, 4 little fingers. And on the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now for the legs, since our pineapple is mid-jump, we're going to have curved legs, little foot at the end there. And the same thing on the other side, too. And just to reiterate the fact that this pineapple is up off the ground, we can put a little shadow there underneath. All right, illustrators, we're now going to add some color. So go ahead and grab your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. there we have our pineapple characters. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. And there we have our pineapple characters. Great job today, illustrators. I hope that you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.